Alright, good evening, everybody. Couple of you know, brought on Lee's team right now. We're tell to them make we finish off our last week, right? That's what I want to talk about. So Phil, you put me part of the track just now, but what we're supposed to talk about today. I mean the role of the hunter man,
role of the dancers,
role of the dancer, and the drumming, right? The drumming because I said me too fast.
the drumming for nap. Because the drum they go too fast now, they buy the nap too fast.
So, but then why Papa, yeah, no for knock it the real.
We knock it the correct way.
Alright.
We usually knock the correct way.
So that was fixed right there.
Not a man like it's speed now. Me don't know what happened to the new generation. Everything for them are fast. Fast food, fast dancing, fast knocking, everything that fast for new generation now, fast drinking, everything they do fast. You know what I'm today now? So it's really rough, in the culture because even in certain things that go wrong right now, the punta or paranda right now, that fast.
Fast with him.
Fast with him. You don't know what's going on now with this new generation, everything that fast. So they get tired quick, then I think you do the next wrong or go next step again. When parties was dance, I just watch how parties dance, check on our way back. The boy does skank it, they don't skank in, they to go the next 5-10 miles for now because the boy does skank it. And never does be latterly, I kind of perform, I kind of dancing. Oh no, the boy want to dance up on the head. So he kind of rough now, man. They don't respect it now, so I kind of think they go on. Really, so the dancers have to really get the act together. And now they know they come with towel. No towel, just straight one. Then they got a thing over shot now. Then one time when late coaching you stay when we talk about coaching or I mean see the man does dance stuff. When the man does dance he does that he got a gong and so but what up to he was show you? No way father that but now the new generation now that we up so now the for what and young youths picnic out there. Latterly picnic out there and the thing there brother. Check all this thing is it get through me when I see that thing happen. Conduct yourself, man. Conduct yourself. That's a kids do out here. You know, picnic see that thing now and the mother they out there, the father they out there. Hey, make us see more, make us. You not even respect your one picnic, never make your picnic still stupidness, man. At least they tell the man there so boy you have to conduct yourself. Talk to the chickenary, conduct yourself, you don't have to lift up your things so fine. If you got leave it halfway and put it down back. Shy there.
Yeah.
You know, so that to come to the next house again for watch a little leg until you leave it higher, put it down. That thing there. But now everybody.
Yeah.
Run around the circle. What? I said John Paul do it. But I get pissed off with that. Tell him, what's up, John Paul? What happened, man?
Well, and I true what I say, everybody said the same thing I say. And thank God John Paul right with today so we could help John Paul because we know John Paul loves Check and
Yes, man, that's sure.
Right?
We
know
not take over.
No.
We have to do that along the way.
Alright. So, John Paul, are you willing to make we help you, right? Big step. Big step. So I'm glad that we take that out of the system. Anybody else go about the dress code? Music.
Everybody watch me like Django, no man. But I watch Chaka now. Me and William, either before William, Django and Chaka before me. Why gone? Why come dance Django? I still love you. Right? And when you invite me to the meeting, I'm happy. I'm happy for the both. Because then me, William, we and the mom is supposed to share what we knew and what was it all about.
Yeah.
You know? Right? So then we find it but I don't care when it comes to dressing.
Alright.
Many years ago, brother, that you can see, right? And I know about 2 towels, I know about 1 towel, I know about 2. But head tie like we got on, and 1 towel go across, just like how Django, but Django use 2 towels. two head tie.
Yeah, that's
Chakanara is two head
Yeah.
towel.
Yeah, your side thing at towel.
This
That's true.
Side-
on down like Jankono, then the head the towel come cross way.
Different. Yeah,
Then the
that's
next
that.
towel come over you.
That's true.
Right?
Yeah,
And when you
yeah.
want party, when you how you want to hold it like that.
So everybody will hold it.
You see me? Then you are hook before you come out, then the next two come in. Like the one that they come in, you know. And that's the way it's supposed to
Hold on
happen.
1 second now. So that one big, another big change. Come on, go dance and then come out of the ring. The one who the dance supposed to get hooked in. Hooked up person in, right?
That's
That's
the
how
way it's supposed to dance.
It's normally he's supposed to know the time. Because I don't dance, because if William there after you, it's automatic that he the next. So for the time you can give you the signal, make it come in, the time for make it come, then he hook you. Right? Or you hook her in which way. Right? You
I
hook,
don't
you
normally,
hook, then
sorry.
you go.
And then normally the shaker.
Yeah,
with
get
the
a sign
shaker,
to you.
with the
When I
Yeah,
sign.
but you don't have to
work.
work with no
Yeah, big-
checker or no
but
drum.
that big
But
important
that
thing,
you,
though.
but that you the individual,
But we
because
go-
if you
I
say
find
I
that,
don't,
yeah.
I think I don't get enough already and then
But
that
that
you can
shaker,
come out.
they
You know?
got a big role. That shaker
Understand?
got a big role.
Check out the sign.
No.
That shaker-
the signal, no?
No.
Shaka give the signal.
Signal.
Right,
That's the
exactly.
time.
That's the word. Yeah.
The next thing know where we are head to know that like the cow and the hunter man.
All right, good. So we're done with that. We're done with it. We're done with the musical route. Maybe we could demonstrate little later.
Yeah,
So now we're going into the role of the cow.
cow, yeah, no. I know for one cow and one hunter man. That's the way I know. Right?
You listen to
No.
John Paul?
Sorry?
Ask John Paul if you listen to
Yeah, no, everybody's supposed to listen. No, the cow have the role, the hunter man got the role, right? No, the cow, that the man open ring, and hunter man open ring to right, but when the cow come in out and he and the man where, you know, and normally the hunter man will come afterwards, because the cow come in first, right? The cow was in the hunter man in the dance, well dressed, with the coat, he will kickers or boots or whatever you want to have on, with a mask, with a cardboard, with the same head tie too. But you can't hear tie just one, right? You have to cover up. See? So here you do a thing. When the hunter man come now, like what art, right? When the hunter man come, that the cow will tease the hunter man in at the ring, right? Here the joker, right? Then he will chase the hunter man out of the ring. Right? No, the cow don't got what target already. Like in a baker time, what's her name? Poppy's sister.
you know?
Gingina does be for his target. Right? No, but the cow will always have a piece of paper like a Bible. Right? So he will chase you, right? And he'll bring you in at the ring, but that time you're still afraid, right? But then he'll be lash you up and do a lot of stupidness. He will let's go joke in the room, like fake you like a lash up, but in a lash up. Then he'll make you kneel down in at the ring. Right?
Pray
Then he'll
to
give the Bible, yeah, make you pray to the Bible. See? Then finally he'll take it to then he'll fake you for make you come out. See? That's the way I know about it. Understand? And the cow again is well dressed. You got your hand, you got your mask as per normal with the cardboard set up. Big body,
It's a stick. It's a stick.
and you got a piece of stick in your hand. Right? You know? Properly dressed. You know? Chakana red dress, hunter man dress, everybody dress up. Drummings, you read. Motor gun man know they play. He give you the vibe, make you go obey my hand. You see me? Yeah man. Check. I want to hear a certain song because just Chakana is just like 1 hour ago, right? Well, every Jankuno have his own song. Every Jankuno got his song. But they want to know the name and their own song, they don't know what they do. They only dance Jankuno because they want to dance Jankuno. Chakana are the same thing, just dance, dress any kind of way and come out there.
So what happened to
wrong.
the one day where?
You see me?
What they just saw kind of way?
Then you have to send them home and make
They
it
are
just
about
proper.
the one
And
who
the
they run,
boss.
the boss.
Oh,
The boss. Remember that the group that were in the boss and each group are in charge of that now.
Then,
but
exactly.
most of the picking out they had is.
Well, then you know make it
Yeah,
dance.
you have to make
simple.
a dance. Yeah, make
The
a
one
dance.
that come out
Oh,
sensible and neat and nice, you make them party. If you want to come out how you want, then go home.
That's why we bring up the smith and make the
Exactly.
the media and still the media.
Exactly, make them know
So
what happened.
if they come out respectable, we accept them.
Exactly.
But if you come out of order, you have to come out of the ring.
It real.
or or we could help me if we have the gas today.
Yeah, with the
Because they want dance.
If we got the gas, so they will
Yeah.
tell everybody for shipping off. They will come make a fix you up.
We not got tennis, yo. And we want to cha-cha-cha. So go home and put your kick out. If you got kick out to school, then you go got kick out to that too. If you got socks to school, then you go got socks to that too.
But I like the young lady said, that part of discipline, because the boss,
Exactly.
the boss have to discipline the one who come and not ready. If you're not ready for dancing, you have to decide, look how I help her, or but I can't, I'm not got enough, but that's how you're supposed to be dressed. If you could borrow one, you could come back, but right now you can't come in because that's how we want to do it. We want to be clean.
Exactly.
Or is no dance?
There's no dance.
And this thing easy. Because if you have a sister who will for the princess address where she have. I know it's come out Chagaga, Romy and William. When we come out, we're going to play. We come out
So one person we always look after too, but it can't too.
Tanto again.
When Tanto does
I
come
don't
up, brother.
I don't know. I don't know.
Man, Tanto does really to time.
I'm not talking, man.
Everything to
I don't
time.
know, man.
He
Yeah,
dress
but-
to time. And he perform to
And he
time.
going to toilet.
He make sure he going to because he a part of the old school. for
Original.
Papu. He the Papu's days. He's a
Good.
part of it too.
See me?
I'm not talking, man. Castillo.
He's a part of the parties and everybody. He's everybody perform way back.
So back then when Chakana used to come in, the man they do that fake to it.
Yep, correct. Yep. You got some people that bungle up a little towel or cloth and thing and put it there. See me? Someone then like wrap up lime or orange in our cloth and put it down with plastic and everything.
Because the first time when we get to play dance woman that my brother wife me dance. You know. First time that a long time ago. Right? And the time there when she me dance, she breast don't me there.
Yeah.
Don't me there, we already when Bali man up when Bali man up, they say when Bali the who? Bali used to knock it out, Lupe and then Bali Lupe. Peggy grab the girl breast. And you never know that I'm a girl.
Yeah, you see?
And that nearly put a big issue that time there because I'm like, yeah, me the dance. And when he find out, he said, boy, that breast no feel right. So he turned back. And when he turned back for touch a girl, take out your mask. And then he know, boy, that girl. And so he tell us sorry about it and so forth. But
Never
they
know.
don't know that our man dance.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? But yeah, that's why I say, woman not for dance.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
we may try bring it out the woman because we barely got man.
Yeah.
Man don't want to jump now, man close again because they said that days, that but the chicken not about that. The chicken about our cultural thing, way back in the days there when it was there, when man does have to hide from certain things, you know. So they still have to dress now, man, clothing and things. We don't pick up the lead talking last week, you know what? The thing not about no gear or whatever and so forth and so forth. When I picture it, you know, that's a cultural thing.
The culture, and the way how it's supposed to
Right,
happen.
we're supposed to dance.
Right? Because as we said earlier, right? The dance is not a female dance. The dance is a male dance. Just like in a one hour ago, right? See? A female not supposed to dance tango, no? Hence, if you got somebody who call him a row, and he just in a woman dress.
I
He come total different.
remember the Bouye me stop on that girl where she
Nelly?
Nelly.
Yeah.
I remember Bouye, they say Bouye where in here? John Mariano.
All right.
Stop that young lady because that young lady come in that time. I mean, they rate that John Code in that time there.
Yep.
When they tell her, oh yeah, he got Bouye. When you look me man, yeah, Bouye man, free by Yagi. Yes man.
Well, not outside,
You
not
get
that
out.
at all.
Get out there, you cannot dance this show.
She brother, me want to fight with John Wild while you for that same thing. John Wild makes you know she can dance, and you want to fight with the woman. Whether the bars, that is not a female dance. Hence, this is why you have something called what we are, right? That will fit in for a female.
All right.
See me?
No. They got a lot of female who like dance, who want dance, who love dance. No, but they roll a hair roll, right?
No.
Not every.
Female not dancing, our male dancing.
Okay.
Our man,
Alright.
our man breads, right? No female love for dance, nothing when it comes to Jankono or Chakanare, what I know about.
All right. But they could help organize. They could help be part of the crew.
Exactly. No, when it comes to
Gayusa,
Wanaragua, the female supposed to be what Gayusa. When it comes to
Same thing with
Wanaragua, Chircanare is the same thing, right? The female supposed to be behind the drum and they sing. They are part of it, but they're supposed to be Gayusas. No part of the dancing. The dancing should be male.
That's Korean too.
Again?
That's Korean. Korean Right from
Okay, all right. Anyway, I don't know who this is, but what happened to her?
You see that junk in it?
I
They
don't
talk
know
about
about-
junk, you know. They talk about junk right now.
No, we just
Yeah.
we're putting it in between.
Yeah.
Right? Then when we there, we don't actually canal with it.
Yeah.
We just to try show. You just give example about how the culture is going, how it's supposed to happen. See me?
All right. What else you talk about? One more thing, sir.
Like, you know what, you know how it is.
The
Man, we got a lot to talk about, man.
Yeah.
Something
Take
to
your time, my boy.
the woman not
Take
supposed to
your time.
dance.
no more.
Yeah, be male.
Male.
You know the girl.
Yeah, but like what would they say? I know, right? If like your brother, right?
Yeah.
Under the cap, your brother, your nephew or uncle, I don't know.
You better, man.
You see, like when you just say, right? If you watch what they happen now, right? Especially in we area, maybe that may not west or so then. You know, but we think different. We not condone you neighbor. You come to a man. That a man lesbian, but I think when it comes to man are totally different. I condone the lady then, but not the man. But anyway, it's not to get to the point, right? So like what that just said, the way how people take it now, right? And whether they push in a man and man said, even the kids thing, right? They don't want to put on a female clothing anymore. So then, now what we need to do now, we were fitting the females then, but then man and man have to overstand. You're not supposed to touch them. Simple. Because if you touch them now, you don't know what that means. Right? Sexual harassment. And but the guy will lock you down. If my daughter the dance and you want to touch me, that will lock you up. Simple.
Yes, the female to dance. Make
Yeah,
it
that's
because
what
the
they
man
say.
they barely want to jump.
You know what that? So if the
That a man they don't want to jump.
if you have to
So
make the
kind of rough,
culture
kind of rough to
continue,
get man to dance.
Because
Because
man
that-
don't
if
want
we
it
have
again.
if we have to make the culture continue with the female, then that's where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, I
All we
wouldn't-
need
I
to
would-
know the boss need to do.
I wouldn't-
that take care.
I wouldn't have no objection to that. Because
Exactly.
if man don't want to dance and we want to continue the culture,
Culture,
what you
yes.
do?
Yeah.
You box out the female we want to dance?
Dance.
Because sometimes we will bring out the Chiricana, but then we the try look for like the boys. They're like, who would I want to dance? And everybody they're like, no me.
Back up.
I don't
Because
want
people
that.
follow it for tease them, like, because they got on dress, you know, their own friend follow it for tease them.
Yeah,
When
that's
they're
like we
supposed
will
to-
change the
when-
culture.
when are they
you know, they
supposed to
think,
big
and
up
that's
on
how
help,
we
you want
end
help.
up in it.
You want
When
help?
are they supposed to big up them? Why the culture they come up? No, this is the way it's supposed to be. You understand to me? So then, if the female then we have to use, then the aboti and the child can just have to make sure that they look out for the females then, especially elders.
Right.
Because the babies know why not touch them there.
And then-
But the elders, them man
And then
man
people
go
have
up
to
and
understand,
down.
especially people who watch the thing right now, that the elders there in our community like find fault a thing and not try fix it.
Exactly.
You know, and they know I'm not afraid for none of them. If the female want to dance, who willing for dance, and no man not for dance, we have to make the female
culture
have
have to
to dance.
continue. The culture need to continue.
Yeah, but the one day they go listen to the media, have to get the sense that the woman, they the suit too. They have to know that the man and woman mixed together.
Yeah.
That's why this year we dedicate half we time. I don't care when nobody how much money they pay me. I don't want it. So I make you know, I be not one go when you can't pay me. That on one time can I check and narrate that 26 ain't happen.
Exactly.
All right, good.
Oh,
I make
stick
you know
on
right
that.
now. It live right now. I make
We
you know.
stick on that.
We will show it every single house where
Okay.
check and narrate. We will come from when it start to when it finish.
Finish. Exactly. You see me? Because that's a big disrespect for that, you know? Like I said, like what we talked about earlier, right? Whenever they have the meeting at that time, right? See, if them want have the Habina one, they will have the youths one last week Sunday, then have the senior one today.
Alright.
Have it today and respect the Chiricana
Respect the
time.
Chiricana time.
Simple. That is the Chiricana time. Give them the respect.
I don't know how they want to take over
You understand
2026 because we usually we don't come up for Christmas time when they have the chicken and janko, no?
Check.
Then why they want to take over 26 26 we
With
got
their competition.
competition. You can run power, you
That
can
one no
run
go. That one no go.
No, we don't. We say about no go. Yeah, be a no go. And we're going forward if we check and narrate.
Exactly. And
Pick it
I
up.
do with that. I second the
Right.
motion from that. I
So we
second
are
the
make
motion.
we are take a stance to that.
Exactly. Read up on that, man.
We can't if we own people disrespect with own people. We can't have that happen.
Because from
Yeah,
them,
Gary not go like we self to do that kind of thing, you know.
see? And from there supposed to put the sit down and analyze it and say, shit, man, boy, it's a track and every time, you know, check. They could do it before, or they could do it next week, Sunday before January, whatever. You see me? Check, but do it what day when you know the house-to-house culture time.
Correct.
You see me?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Do it when I know the house-to-house culture time. See, because just like if I'm one hour house-to-house, I know I tolerate them for the competition neither. Simple. Check. I know I'm happy with that. That 2 1 hour yes, competition house-to-house, but I know I'm happy for making that competition and we got full house-to-house. I know I'm there with that. Simple and straightforward. So that the same thing I did work with the track and I straight up.
Alright. I'm sorry, glad you're there as a Jankono man.
You know?
Cause you feel you know what right one is right. Cause you know
Exactly.
I don't jump on myself.
See?
I know what is right.
Exactly.
Understand?
Understand to me, brother?
I have to. Only so culture will survive if we continue respect each other. Whichever dance we have, we just have to respect. Just about respect.
Right, exactly.
Respect. That's how
Discipline.
Discipline.
Discipline. Right? We can't fight against one another when it comes to the culture.
No.
Understand to me? We can't do that. We're supposed to work with one another. See? Check. Because at the end of the day, if they may have the competition today, all the Chakanari are there with the $20 or the $50 or $60, whatever they want to play, they collect. You understand to me? I straight up, you know, I'm in a business. Check. You know? See? So give the people in their time. Give them their time.
All right.
That's for their time.
All right.
You understand to me? Check.
All right. What else? Oh, we have one more thing, no? We don't talk about the music. We talk about the clothing again. We talk about the timing.
The thing about the prom they out there to with children's in there. Just like how Barney talked about last week, Chicken. You know, the prom there. And so this dance here, they were unique dance. Chicken already have a unique dance, right? But people have to get the sense of if it talk to what they respect the dance. Give up a break when they say move out of the way. When you see the call, they go so, they try go so and go so. Open the spot, man, so they call to come in, man.
Somebody go ignorant out there, then they will fight with the cold and the cold.
Oh, you knock my baby down. Oh, you see what happened. That thing, yo. Hey, we no call you out. You hear about this culture, they happen, and you come out with it.
The other thing too with that, I want to add to that, like the vehicle and stuff. Vehicle want to come through, say chicken already. Vehicle want to come through, that have to stop.
Dangerous.
So we have to be careful with cones. I got some big orange cones. I get for a tongue kong slap, put that right there. So once the chicken already dance, you can't have free time. You can't pass. The street block off.
Right? This thing easy, right? You know why? You know why easy?
Here's the reason why.
This is where you got something. Where you call a permit. If you cover this whole street here, you make a track and array. No move on there. Never knock down a track and array. That will catch free by Nane, what you have Penwood, William. When you see a Ninja Mac, one boss through my Jankono. Now my drummer come out, my drummer beat up Ninja Mac. I did tell you what happened. I'm not afraid for Tagari by me.
I made it, man. When I call him, but I made it. That was Lee Boy beat up.
Yeah, good. My drummer.
I know who. You'll be a man.
Good.
I know. I made it right there. I made it right
to me?
there.
I make my Jankono. Then one more. We don't move no way.
Correct.
We don't move no way. I know my culture and I know my fucking everything where they happen here. See, we don't move no way. He can't knock on down. The night front of my house, what car can know? Want to do the same thing. And my brother Rio deal with the man. The same night too. Two vehicles the same time. And I make my jungle who don't move no way. Check. And my little brother no son deal with her, the keyboard ballet. Deal with he. Play it down. You understand to me? Hence we said that's why we have something we got permit. We would have said we're licensed. You understand to me? Nobody disrespect that black and white. That black and white.
I usually tell her that. Every time they come to check and I think I tell her we got more permit.
I don't get my one, William. Don't go for my one already. I don't got my thing ready. I said, you understand? Because nobody can go violate me. See? And I expect the track and I'm supposed to be the same way. Nobody disrespect on the ring. Nobody.
But then I understand it. Then they think that more because then they pass through it, then they have the right of way. They're not going through problem, but what they need to understand, with the permit, we have a say.
Exactly.
So then
If
they
they
think
hurt
because
anybody
police
there-
end up think, if they
Yeah,
hurt
if
anybody,
anybody
then they don't know, then they
Yeah.
get
They're in a
charged.
problem, they're in a problem.
But then we know enough tell, you know, they don't know that then they think that how maybe thing, you know how they would come in and then that's why I think if they say stop or go through there, where they going like, you know, I don't know if they're liquor or anything, but still I drive through. Then when problems start, then they're like, you know,
That's why
they're
you
ready,
play
then
with
the police or anything. But what we need to put out there to make them know. That know we are the end of the part once we have to end up the police station that day. Because they don't know that why permit play an important
we
role.
don't need to tell them nothing, baby. Right?
They-
They're
and I
supposed to
think
don't
they
know.
know
This is
that.
they're not. Janko no check can just start yesterday or today. This is for many years ago, long before me, you, they, and everything. You understand to me? Check. So all you need for you as the abuti, you make sure you know what your role. Easy. Easy. You just have to know what your role, and make sure that you got your second and your third. Because each the culture supposed to have a first, second, and third. See? Because you know I got eye for everything. When you got eye for your second, they say. Your second can say, I can say the third, they say. That is the culture is all about. But I know. You understand to me? So we don't need to tell no stupid out there nothing. We don't need to. Point blank. See? You want to violate, we are root out your vehicle and we are deal with you. Simple. When the police they come, we don't care the man can violate the culture.
And so we permit, yeah?
Easy.
When they do that because they feel that the chicken harry can say, oh, I went stop that now, I don't do this and I will stop it. Because they go have to
You
go
going
in.
to jail.
Then the police they come and stop the chicken harry. For what you stop the chicken harry, you're supposed to stop the people who
violate.
who violate, not the chicken harry.
Understand to me?
Chicken harry got nothing to do it, nothing to do it where they
You see,
do
it good
Then
because
what we gonna do, and easy again, right? Where we gonna permit from? Good. Call the mayor. All right, good. XYZ. Any mayor where they have to be, any mayor where they run the spot. Call the mayor and make you know XYZ. And the mayor they run all police. If you don't know
yeah,
that.
but commercial. I don't understand what anybody say, right? Even though Carl Mayor, what happened, you could see what happened in the storm. We have a lot of Spanish police who transfer ya, right? And sometimes like take the line up with their own hands and don't understand. Sometimes we go tell them, and then for them superior not tell them. They need to understand that Chekanare, they don't know crime. This is how we live. This is Griga. This is a culture capital. This is what we do. So when Hispanic and the Spanish man come, the Spanish police they come and come and want to try to stop Chekanare, they can't. They can't stop
permit
it.
have what time? With my permit, that's from 6 to 9.
Yeah.
But me not 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, man, me don't lock off. I ain't no got time. That's my time. I need my own time. My work call me drummers and me go shout and if you get paid, make I go drink me beer, me stove. Hug up me lady. I don't got time. I don't got time for no 9, 10, 11. I don't got time for
But
that.
I think with
A lot of time for me.
I think with
Straight up.
but I think we're done, you know. Just like that.
You know, but my point is this, brother, they need to respect the culture. Just like this stupid when we work out many years ago. He want to go stop grand ball 12 o'clock that night. Yeah, man. He kept
You may want to go do what you may say you want to go do. Drink his stout and hug up and
you can't stop for we grand ball.
we go have a power.
If you want to drink El Stow, left we grand ball. We grand ball tell a man, you go drink El Stow. Left my grand ball alone. Straight up.
Yeah.
All
All right.
William.
Amen. So, in my culture, right now, I used to dance thing and I love it. I just you know, make mass and go there and try to buy what 10, 12 mass. Right? But the man way, like, this meeting here, we did the original house where we start from. It's a people thing, right? And I mean, the drummers there, or the guys who own the drums there, right? Wow. I do want to say that the women there, they're not interested again for dance Chekanare, but the drummers there will pick their own Chekanare. Right? So I ask the young wife, they're interested.
By you got something for say this one, like what you said as well, the same permit timing. This permit time, excuse me.
Make the man say we got to come in.
They got
Come in, Coco. Come in, Coco. Can people live here?
Come in,
No,
man.
you don't stop it. Me too.
You don't have to, you know, the thing you put it right there closer. Let the voice they show you know.
That permit thing.
Come in, man.
Yeah, that permit.
That's why they give us certain people secure the fire,
Fire
traffic,
department, yeah.
and police station. The reason why they give you that, the reason why they give you that is because then those are the only personnel that can pass through the Chekanari.
That's true.
They have to pass through because then there are
Ambulance.
people with a
Ambulance
like
pass through
emergency
police.
people.
You have to get in the
So
break.
then they have to give break to
Yeah,
make them
instant.
pass through.
Yeah, instant.
Because you never know what happen on that state stretch where you depend. So those are the only people who could pass
Give
through.
a break. Always give a break. Police ambulance there. That's true.
Enough respect. You know that. Even without a permit, you're supposed to get rent. Because if you drive right now, ambulance, they come, you better go in that drain. Because they need for pass.
Yeah, that's true. Very important.
Easy. That's easy.
Oh, yes, very important.
That's what part is.
But that's nice.
That's nice. Make a point already. We could go through it parties and make parties.
Yeah, let's go, William.
Like the new generation now. Like when they ask come out for Christmas time, right? I see no guys with so much so much mass man, right? All the mass man men talk to the mass man, tell the man everyone. So someone no have to be Chekanari. Because this culture can't dead. We look at that, the cow, right? Right? The cow, the pig.
That pig.
Yeah, the cow and the
Hunter man, man.
the cow and the hunter man.
You want to bring in pig, sheep, buffalo,
The cow and the hunter man. The cow and the hunter man are two mass man. Are two mass man. The rest of the mass man could be Chekanari. I mean, we don't have to talk to the Chekanari and tell them.
Man, they're not a mass man.
All right, go, yeah. Thanks. So, again, that's what the party say.
Too much
The
mass man.
party that the bosses have to make that case.
No, the man don't want the drum. That they have to talk to the guys and tell them, I don't want so much mass man. I want like, don't check for me.
But you say we come back.
They don't want to do that.
William,
Yes,
we're
no.
going back to the same thing. We're going back to the same thing. The same man where the mass man, they're a man. They don't want to put on a dress. They want to be mass man.
Yeah, they want to be mass
So all
man,
you
they
need
want
for
to be
do,
cow.
that run them home. Tell them you can't dance, you go home.
All right.
Simple.
I got a list like that, you know. Even the Chekanari where they dance, the Chekanari where
We
they
don't make
dance.
anybody jump
Like
in
what
the
he said. Like the people where they
do
watch.
something.
Even the Chekanari where they dance, right? And the people where they watch with their prime timing. And they say they come, okay, they come, you know. So Miss just watch by this. I just say Chekanari dancers. You know what I'm saying?
Chekanari to do this.
Very good. Miss, remember they call the coming, we don't want no problem. Just enjoy your picnic, enjoy your prom.
Yeah, because we happen the cow come from one
Yeah,
area.
right?
So
So the same dancers will do that. Yeah, the same dancers, the same Chekanari. Prime time, you know, Miss, they call the coming.
Where
for the
I
security.
noticed,
I don't know
yeah.
what they call the coming, you know what I'm saying?
Long the cow, they for what distance, right? Because everything that was signing up,
Exactly.
the cow have to tell the
Yeah,
cow.
I'm too when they come in.
The cow have to tell
Yeah,
them.
you give signal.
You give them what sign.
By fire, they tell
You give them
it. By fire, they tell
So
it.
I want me, so I'm going free.
Yeah.
You have to tell them,
That really
get them, open up.
Even if the cow do that,
Yeah.
people just pick what time for Chekanari for go out there. For problem. Even when you're telling her like, make him move me himself then, make him move. He was see what happened like
and majority of the time the people who are there at front of
that
the
the people,
people
and one
Then they
problem.
go up and there, they have a lot for say, and I don't know what they're from. You know, that's
So,
about.
like I
we have
think people
understand.
are just hardies.
You know,
Not
no,
care
no.
what you do.
The hardest way, but this is a young generation, you know, and the young generation, they really are this.
They hardies.
They kill the culture, they have
Because we not see them go do that na Janku no.
But who
Yeah,
that?
but it happen
Hold on, hold
at
on.
too, right? But what happened? You find out that you could run your PS on your own levels, right? Nice and smooth, like where my Levi just said just now, right? The senior check and Nare don't have to wait for the cone or the hunter man to open the ring because John couldn't open the one ring, right? Because when you hear with it, because some therapists me and I shoot them. I mean, sorry, I look at the media and I shoot them. You understand to me? Why you shoot me? When I shoot you, if I tell you open the ring, you know want to move. You stick down there then. Simple.
Well, I tell you,
You just open up.
I tell you.
Just open.
Well,
right? And by the time you watch again, because what happen? You know, you can stand up one spot, right? You are slowly move and they move and they move. Anybody, if you are an operator, I was going to say, and that's what happens.
Anytime I had a bars of chicken,
when they move now, the crowd, so when as you can't just your ring gets small. Now when party scene a man they come in, you open the ring back man. But everyone just wants to stand up there. Yeah. Ready for party. You know they there for work. Open the ring. So when the cow come now, you not gonna know a lot of work. See? When the cow come up to make it perform and do the thing. You understand to me? And you know, but people don't understand right, you can explain to them. The bigger the ring, the more everybody could see. The bigger the ring, everybody could see. But if you small in the ring now, who could see from the back there?
Then even you at the dance fee suffocate like the breeze maybe the pass
exactly. You understand to me? The bigger the ring, everybody could see.
One for back say, I now move because I'm at the back. Now I did a front. You take my night to say everything.
Yeah, well then we'll push you more than back too.
All right.
Hold on. One thing with Chakanare. I dance Chakanare for your boy too. But Chakanare, okay, more score than Jankono. Every year. Long as Chakanare, what a crowd, wrong Chakanare, don't joke.
Especially that evening that time, yeah.
Yes,
when they don't joke the crowd, so I could understand that when I say that the ring small, got that crowd, man. Crowd, lot of people. So the ring, too much people that the ring can't get because too much people.
You know what I mean? That's why everybody go come in, open the ring, make the caution real up, let the go do his job, open the ring. You don't have to lash up people and all the time go beat up people.
Because the job done for the crowd to open the ring, but then I'm going to open it nice.
Then you fake them like you are like
that. Then the crowd are the problem, not the people. Then the crowd could do his job like one of the people are the problem. Then the people know what I'm saying.
Then you got cow. We want to go drink has piss, smoke has dump, and crazy. But old people in the lash up. Old people, you know. Old lady, old man, they lash up. I mean that crazy.
Then another one, yeah.
Then ready. That general.
Hey, but listen.
Check.
That's why we want to start and make it right for you.
No, exactly.
So when people say check and I, you know when they come for this yard, when they come for the marine, the right deal, the real deal they get. Then you get more support and then people like John Paul will watch the real deal because they make all kind of thing. But with like I said, the man love it, so we will help her change it. Yeah. John P.
In a check and repair.
Yeah. You love it, man.
He love Chakana. I get the money up.
He not Chakana prayer.
Hats off for the man.
He not Chakana prayer because the free time, but when my time before free time, I need to be the prayer.
That's the man time, man. That's the man time.
When they I'm with the dance every year, he smile.
Yes, we understand that.
But
that's why the man come up.
I stop and he get big so that free time.
Hey, but John P. say he retired. He just tell me that he say he retired. We know why he retired.
The man said he retired because his grandson will take over. His grandson.
Funny call one thing like follow John Paul check and then they think we want funny.
And that's why we're bringing John Paul because John Paul need to understand
what the stop bringing their funny people.
John Paul.
Everything will change.
John Paul.
One hand, half a hand.
That are like that,
yeah. And what they do too? They start clown the thing, the kind of boy they dress like clown.
Yeah.
That clown they go see.
Come on, right?
One year, make we come together, come John.
Yeah, that way
understand. We could have, all right, we could have two. We could have two, you know.
But hold on. Commercial.
Tongue big, got the tongue big. Make we have two. 1 year of control one side, 1 year
like
Hey, this is very important. Another point. That's why it's good to have me thing like that on kind of here. Listen, like young lady just said, why John Paul have his crew behave that kind of way? They got a weak leader.
Who is?
He in the lead.
No, Then you only pick me and no one of these one clowns, right?
Yeah, so there were some people are clown. If we behave like clown as girlfriend of people are treated like clown now.
All the Hopkins security.
Exactly.
Well, here what they go on.
We have to help her.
Well, here what happened.
We're help
Jean
her.
Paul, I will explain something to you before we close up, right? The only time they have clown, the Halloween. You know what? October, no?
October.
You know October, Jean Paul. When it comes to the culture, the real deal and respect.
When I go and lead drum and some could show Ali him to this thing how slow the music thing.
That's what we're going to know. Okay, thanks everybody. And for the live talk, we are showing how the real deal, right? The drumming.
So the dress code for the dancers, everybody supposed to be nothing to shout, something that's nice and you know, when on the showcase about it with your towel, right?
No, we need to drum something small for the people, you know how it.
Right, Mr. D?
Yeah.
What you say?
So the dress code for the Chicanara is supposed to be nothing where really the showcase.
So you hear right, Jamal, we have the minister to lift up it with no tongues, right? That's done.
Then with the coat, they got a coat, the little long pants, either the tennis or the boots.
So who you bring out to better bring them out for your house and be
then
eligible people, not the lead
the hunter man. They got a main specific mask or just, you know, one leaf funny mask and the mask where they were look funny.
The same man.
So any leaf funny mask where they got. Alright then. Let's check it there.
What is drum there,
So what kind of mask
Man, Chicanara use? Right now.
No, the hunter man.
You see one of the use?
Oh, they're the same one that I mean, think that the funny looking mask, I said the dress code.
You wear that one too, you know, right? Because then when you come to the hunter man, once one hunter man, you could put a Halloween mask.
One. No lot.
One. No 150 hunter man.
So we need like at least 2 hunter man. At least 3 hunter man or so. And when then they say the call come in or so, now then they have to show the entertainment in the ring. Not for the day they wind up and down. The hunter man job down, not for the day they wine like what happen now.
Alright.
No.
That's for us go and go thing. Because they got a rule where they play in it, not for go see and wine like
dance, they open ring too there.
Alright then.
You know?
And that's the child, thing up everything together like a fast gap.
If they call what chase somebody, they just run, but
shy
or run, but not run long after. Just run, you run and stop. And stop, but don't right back. No go tell us that's a people pick the carrot bad. You know that carrot our culture. The people get vexed.
When Mr. Norberto was dance Lion right this up, he does perform for Papoose way back. Right? And we was staying at that suit for morning, we get in that suit till night. Right? Then for the last Chicanara, for the last New Year's time Chicanara, back to school, call it. Right? We don't usually collect for the people that give you books and exercise and everything there one time for the kids there for back to school. So we have to give back to the community. The time that we win, we used to dance, we are not all for we don't make for we one for 26 right done. When I'm back to school, the kids' time, not that the kids' time now, but the audience, the time who can watch the Chicanara, the people will come now, we give them the exercise book and the pencil and the Papoose do the thing. Then you left to the people if you want to give you a little money or books or whatever things. Sometimes Papoose buy books, sometimes they leave money where they make out with the kids. All these things we don't say again. So this thing kind of frees the culture. We know to give back, we know to get greed because like greed that because we know to give back to the culture. We're supposed to give back the thing for the culture.
Give incentive. Come back next year.
Yeah, next year people sponsor the kind of way right by so we know do every time back to school you go shop to shop. This is the way you do and they don't see it already so they see you there they will give you those exercise book or the dozen pencil
or a knapsack
or something to the kids there. You carry the kids there, ring or dance to the kids leave it. Give her the pencil exercise.
I wonder if if Jean Paul or one a girl could dress up from showing the real deal today. No mask not there?
See that woman here, you don't got dress?
Dress up Jean Paul, let's go.
Jean Paul got that dress there, man. Lot of girl there.
Dress up the man
a shot, I know that if I give shot, Jean Paul want to dress here, So, I don't know.
While in 1 minute, I was like, what happened to me?
I'm sure when they say
They were just dressed on the right way with the towel together.
Even if you're in a Garifuna outfit, it no matter.
Yeah.
A Garifuna skirt or a shirt.
Yeah, that's up the man. Yeah, that's up the man. Thank you very much. Why? This special.
Well, because then when you use that second towel, you have to use a big pin, you know. Then you have to pin it back, and a big pin you use. I don't know if they got a big pin like one time. You got to look at napkin. And
You always look out for my head. All the time.
No, come fast. No napkin.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, guys, Snook, he, the sisters and the niece. Far. Man, nice again.
So, like how when we really have male, we're not making the culture. So if male want to dance, male could dance. Right? Female, what in, they don't have a problem, right?
No, one thing about it, who the boss there, and like I said, make sure you have security for people and the man not come in, come finger on or take a touch on it. The man they start drink up and things. Don't want anything there, right? So you want to protect the female.
Know that the bars have to go up second and third for the watch the female ends, really. You know, the baby say I know why don't mess with them. When you see how much they go to become man now and nothing to play with.
When we don't pass you for a couple of days or so, I don't think that nobody will cover that stupidness.
Yeah.
I don't think so. So anyway, we have to take care of this.
We ready now?
So they will put off a leash show, right?
Correct.
To make a show a leash.
Yeah, put off a little show, what the show about, how a Chuck and I properly dressed,
Right.
and how the music's supposed to sound. Right? So this is one people supposed to expect
Right.
that real Chuck and I.
26th of December.
26th of December, all day too.
26th, 2nd, and the 7th. They could dance this like how school at the Monday, the same Sunday, Jankuno and Chakani could dance the same day, no matter.
Yeah, kind of last day.
Exactly.
That's school. Alright. Well, people, I have to say for the people, man, before we go. Before we listen to this.
Thanks everybody for always keep on watching Diaper Show.
Alright.
You know? And Diaper for this year, Diaper bring Chicanary live to you know.
House to house.
House to house, Chicanary going by. We want to show everything so all the old people can't come out to me. Whenever see Chicanary good while and they're home. You know, like granny, uncles, grandpa, auntie, everybody.
Yeah, the opportunity.
This opportunity to make a show your auntie that and your granny will lead up in the bed long time when they sit down in the bed and want to see the show. You can't come out, you can't come out. Remembrance and so you can show up on your phone. You know, make sure you get a little laughter and happiness, you know. All these things we bring back memories and so way back from Papu's days till now. You know, Bojing and all them band they were full time in. You know, with a younger generation, bringing the show back to, you know, the way it's supposed to be. Right. You know, but with the show, we are trying our best because we just to start up this meeting, we have to start it up the right way. Maybe next time might be more better because we are bringing it a bit more spicier for, you know, going by.
Yeah.
You know, so just look out for the show 26. You know, we are always be there for, you know, and we're going to be there for it all. And try to move out of the way, man. Try to give you a little space now.
Less problem.
Less problem, and think not bring no knife out there because you don't violence people out there, man. You know, don't bring no knife and sword them, man, because you don't want nobody get hurt. You know, they don't blame the Chicanary. They don't Chicanary.
That one that one obedient, because if you don't work it, we are working it. We just can't put in all and then, you know.
Because if we don't bring out the culture, then the whole tongue dead for the Christmas. We're shooting the New Year's. You know, and only Chicanary got it kind of spice to right now, making them come out and enjoy themselves. So first thing they say, oh, Jankuno weak, Jankuno don't like us, Jankuno, but Jankuno was a nice unique dance.
That was unique dance.
A unique dance for everybody to watch and thing and so forth.
Then we come out and we try to make it spicier, then they try to chew off the whole thing. So they have to cooperate it with you.
Man. No, we don't no problem, nobody else.
Yeah, cooperate with the Jankuno and the Chicanary. Let us keep it so.
Right. Discipline, right? Discipline is the whole thing. Discipline is it.
That two days a nice show.
Discipline and respect, that is right there.
That's what time when me and Norberto was dance.
Right.
He was I was the eye for Norberto. When I know you dance, Norberto dance, and I was the eye for you because I took up for you. That time, my brother, my lady got a big knife so because Norberto just lash up this lady daughter. And now this lady got a big... This lady got a big knife in her breast there.
better get a towel for. You don't got one towel?
Yeah, towel there, John.
Go get dressed then. That's my secret, yeah.
Go get to dress.
He like it too.
Yeah,
He like it too.
Correct. So you are dance too.
Fuck, I just had it and pass it. Some hold up my work, the uncle ya clean.
Color up.
And then better will get tight.
Yeah.
Blot out some of their code, no mistake. Blot out some of their code.
Long time.
Long time.
Yeah. But you pay attention, no?
Hey, because you know, look at the walk. You get born. Uncle cigar. No, you didn't born, but I'll eat it. You broke it off?
Then the Janko know that with their too.
Yeah, Caribbean.
See? Well, I know we learn.
Yes.
Every day we learn something.
Every day they learn something.
I wonder if I go to school over there for a while.
I'm the youngest in the city. When I donate to the elementary.
I watch it now. You see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
That's great day.
That's what I want people to say.
Yeah.
The real deal.
So what the man get? Boss you Nike.
You can use that long your way. So
When the drum steady.
But the best way, the best way that's so correct.
No.
That's not the best way. That's not the correct way. That's
You
not
know
the
what they
correct
want, John Paul. You know what they want.
way. That's not the correct way.
Go to the house and touch.
They want to show you about what show them. What show them.
We need to wear the dancers that I need to show when they're
Yeah, but they gonna get dressed.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, where we're going here, to the real deal with the show that you feel like Marine Valero. This is the real deal right here. We just with the show home.
Make the drummer the shaman cross, yeah. Then you shift that way. We don't. Okay, all right.
School happens, so we can't show school classes right now. Classes just start, so we can't show the class, right?
You need to talk to your auntie because you got personal problems.
See, I don't
Wait, no, wait.
Upstairs, they say.
Okay.
The kickers, the cha-cha-cha.
Vai, tanto ne hanno. Tanto right there. Tanto ne hanno, tanto ne watch it. You just talk about the man.
All right.
Yes, man.
Better.
Right there, they watch it. Don't tell us this is the real deal.
Rastan too.
Hold it one by.
When I first took an hour, like this, and I make time too. One man when you're king. And Tantu used to climb the post. That time we young, that time I Miss Mackenzie. That time while he shot me there downstairs. I just said that and we used to climb the post and with the towel and so.
For the master. For the master, for the master.
Everywhere when we got the first house I was right there and Miss Nicole Mackenzie when he shot me.
Jean Paul.
Alright. Oh, this one over here, is that correct?
When buy, I have to change them, man. I put the change going by.
Yeah.
I put it, you know, back down, back up, nobody.
Okay, change it.
Try work it
So
there.
in this case, this is what you could dance. So we could show the people how you're not supposed to dance and how you're supposed to dress. How you're supposed to, so you could see the real deal of what happened.
Well done, well. Is it Tata Chakana?
No.
Tata Chakana.
Come on there, John Paul. Explain there, John Paul, right there.
You need to be behind.
Turn on, John Paul. Face the camera right there. All right. Make me explain where they're going on, where the dress code. You see, look at the head scarf. You go ahead. Come closer. Come closer to the man, right there. All right, see? Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we're supposed to dress, see? This time, not too much thing, nice, you look good right there, sir. You got a head scarf there with a towel. You got mask. You got a towel. You got dressed. And shoes. You done?
This is what we call respectable.
All right.
Respectable chicken. This is
the
code that is dancing with yourself.
Correct.
You know? Sometimes you hold it soft for dance with this way. You dance with and sometimes you put it around your waist. You know? This is the dress code right yourself. This is the way we want all of the dressed men. Once you come out this way, we to work with, you know. You know? It's all about. You can't come this way, then you have to go home, man. Because we want to bring back this culture stiff and strong. You know? We don't want it weak up again. Like what we do, because we drop the culture because you can see the way they feel. You know? Yeah, one pair of one towel per forehead, one cloth on your head, and a towel around your forehead, and one on your shoulder. You know? You know, long socks, tennis, you know? Neat. This is the way for dress.
Correct. So, John Paul, so you inspect your people, eh? Just like that. You saw you look now? Yeah. We're not saying no tongues. There people that come clown way. When they say we're a kind of stupid thing, it looks like they clown you, they clown we. We don't want to clown for we culture. Yeah, not forgot you all of that. Yeah, this time right here. I strike up right now. Okay. Right, don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, I'll check up the drums right now. We got one more check on our this time we don't want to dress. One way we dress and the other way we don't want to dress. Alright, everybody proud of John Paul, boy. Everybody big up John Paul right now. That's the way, this is the point. That's the way we want to bring across. This is never hard to fix. Easy to fix. That we have to be open. That we have to be respectable of the youth too. We have to respect the young boy there. And the young boy that respect we. And that's how we live. That's why we are peaceful, because we respect each other. The rest of the country that don't like we different. Don't say we party all night and nobody get hurt. All we want to do a party. I'm going to school directly, but I don't want to feel if I go across there.
Elementary.
What color really takes so long?
Colorado what? Don't go around. That wrong.
Look, we want to show where wrong and where right. That's the wrong way. Right side by side.
Okay.
Come
I have tell Lay because they call like that. They're not done.
What color I come?
Come. Come, we are compare something. We are compare.
We are compare. No. Ladies and here, go ahead. Let me start. Alright, good. See? This we don't want to see that. Check it out. That we don't want to see. So P, why we don't want to see that take this up? Let me explain to the people.
This is not just code right here, so this is also normal old like new timings check and when I want to bring out. You know, this is a new time. You younger generation timing this. But this right here is the old school timing. This is the way for dressing at the old school. You know? So we don't want this kind of dressing in at the ring for this year. Because we try to carry this thing farther and farther with the people's support, with the support. Whosoever they watch with the way, with the support and thing, we want to make this check and go farther, man. You know? So we want to bring out this dress code, not this way. We want to bring it out that way there, so you know, see the difference of dress code. You know, so you know, younger generation where they watch for the media and so forth, and listen to it. Please, man, you know, come out this way, not this way. Yeah. We still respect, you know, because you know, when we dance, we are trying to fix it along the way. You know, we don't want to dance with nobody. We don't want to put out nobody, right? This code here, we are trying to fix this along the way where they're going by. We are trying to fix this code here because this that wrong. This total wrong. The way just code wrong. So we are trying to fix it along the way. We're not drive nobody. We are trying to fix it. And I hope they check another person with the dance or listen to it. That's why to change the dress code.
All right. See where wrong? First of all, if you look at the difference, the head scarf, the head tie, he not got on this. So what you do? He put on a shirt over his head and you call that scarf. So a towel. Right? So we can see the difference, ladies and gentlemen. You put on a mask, which is a good thing. That's the only good thing for right now. The mask. Right? No gorilla mask, no Bugs Bunny mask, no Mickey Mouse mask. Right? None of that kind of mask. That's the real deal. That's what we want to bring back.
I want to hope to comfort make it help you out to this.
The man say that work right now. He watch. He say that work.
I hope just to make it come this 26, make it help you out along the way. So to straighten this time in here. You know? Because he know a little bit about, he knows much about it, lot about the dress code. You know?
Yeah. Alright, thanks. Now we are dancing thing, you know. And then we got the motor gun. That's what we just started doing, right?
You go first.
What did your man say?
Alright. Music. Pop, pop. What part are you the boat? Yeah. Walk. Patis. Walk. Mr. Par. Yeah. I go good now, I don't say Par. I say send me down. Make her be this too.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Very good. Seems like you're alive and
Kick it again.
Yeah, in there at Lorry. The call, we don't talk about that early. But the call not supposed to lash. It's supposed to shy you. Right? So they're not out there for lash. So we want the audience, the people who watch it. Check an eye, we don't want to disrespect. We want to stay, keep the ring open. So that when the call come, call got at least space to come in at the ring. So we don't want the call don't want to lash up nobody. It's not about lash up people, right? Yes, thank you. That's the previous to come in attraction. Man, a long while, man. A long while. Making people know how you feel after a while.
Oh, yes. It's a good show, man, and this is for the 26th, you know. Right through the year, if so be the case, whoever want to see us, you contact Daifa.
Correct.
You know, once you want to see us and think you want a show or so, always contact Daifa. You know, we always be there at time.
Correct.
You know.
Nice and soft and
really
sweet.
Good show, man. It's nice and soft and
Nothing
sweet, you know. Nothing too fast. You know, we to drop it lower too if you want to, you know. Because we to go really small, little bit drop on out for this thing. So thanks everybody. Thank you, man. Everybody who watch it. Thank you for everything, man.
Yes, man.
That's style to the beat.
Everybody, we gotta go. Ayo.
Alright, good. If we notice, we have two dancers, right? We have two dancers, right? The dance, the individual in the yellow dress, right? The individual in the yellow dress, that is the dance, right? The one in the green dress, we not tolerate that, right? That is natural canary, right? That is natural canary. You not lift up no dress, you not do no obscene dancing, no nothing in the culture, right? You know, but we have to understand that the way they want to bring now, but it's a no-go. We're not depend that. We're not depend that. We want to bring back the culture, the original way, right? The dressing, yellow, that's the dressing. The dressing in a green, it's a no-go. So if you watch the show, which we are replayed, make you see it. When you watch the yellow dress, that's the dress. The green, it's a no-go. No dressing like that, no dancing like that. Point blank. When you come out like that, when you going home. Simple. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. Wow. Yeah, close it off. No, close it off.
Well, I'm glad and thanks everybody, all the fans, you know, who looking on. That, you know, everything going to be good for this God's way life. You know, so that's all I got to say. You know, I applaud all the fans. Yeah, respect. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We gotta
yes,
go.
man.
We gotta go. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It was a education, that's all. Education with a pan, fix the thing. Yeah, the real deal. Ayo.